Guys, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Makam, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a beef croquettes. So you can see I have a here mixture. I already prepared this one, right? And here is a flour, and here is a egg liquid, and here is a breadcrumb. And you have to make like this. It's our beef croquettes. So I have to make this one. So let's start. So first of all, I have to take 30 grams. 30 gram. I will take this one. So by your measurement, you have to just take a 30 grams, right? It can be fluctuate like a 31, 32 grams, right? So it can be fluctuate. So you have, for example, I took this one. So it will around like a 31 to 32. So it's okay. It will run. So we will roll it, and then we will just make like a cigar, right, like a cylinder. So you can see it should be like this. Then we will put on the flour, then on the flour after that we will put in the egg liquid, then breadcrumb, then we will keep in a container aside.